Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and now we're going to make a spiced prawns using my chili garlic. Here's the ingredients: chili garlic by yours truly, oyster sauce, and fresh prawns. First thing to do is to wash or rinse the prawns. Clean it like this, just get those mustache as they say. And guys, before I forgot, always check the packaging, if it has packaging, the color, and the odor of the prawns before you buy it. Oh guys, let me show you the star of this recipe or this menu, my very own chili garlic sauce. If you want to know how to make this one, just comment down below so I can share or make a video for you, so you can make this at home also. This is very good if you like spicy foods and you want to use it as your sauce, or you can use it as a dip or a marination for your food. So let's start. First, heat oil or butter in a pan, and when the oil is already hot, you can now add all the prawns. And make sure to make it fast or cook this fast, because prawns are easily or is a fast cooking food, and we don't want to overcook it, because if you overcook a seafood like prawns, squid, or octopus, it becomes rubbery. But if it's not overcooked, you can eat it very soft, tender, and juicy, especially when it's still fresh and you cook it right away. You'll taste the juiciness of a seafood. Just keep on stirring until it's almost, but not that cooked yet, because we still need to put the other ingredients. And yes, now is the time for us to put the chili garlic sauce. And one jar is not enough for me, because I want it a little bit more spicy as it could be. And stir it so it will absorb all the spiciness and the taste of the chili garlic sauce. And we're now able to put the last ingredient, which is the oyster sauce. This menu, I don't put any salt or pepper, because we already have those in the chili garlic sauce. All the spices and seasonings are already there, and we also have the oyster sauce. And yes, we're done. We just need to put it in a bowl or any container you have. And lastly, let's sprinkle some leeks at the top, and there we go, we're done. And that's it. I'll see you in my next vlog. Please do share, like, and subscribe. Have a great day.